1 teaspoon of what is inside this would destroy you, Jupiter.
Dense? You are calling me dense? That tiny thing is too dense to even be a real threat. He just described exactly why it weighs 6 billion tons per teaspoon.
Good explanation, Jupiter.
Okay, but what even is a neutron star? I feel like I should already know this, and that worries me.
It starts as a star at least 8 times the mass of our sun, burning, fusing atoms, holding itself together for millions of years. And then one day, it runs out of fuel. The entire core collapses in less than 1 second. Millions of years to build, 1 second to fall.
1 second. The whole thing. 1 second. A star more massive than the sun collapsed into something smaller than one of my cities. That is what you are telling me right now. And it still holds more mass than the entire sun. This is what a neutron star is.
1 teaspoon, 6 billion tons, 1,000 Mount Everest balanced on a coffee spoon.
I had a trophy with my name on it this morning. Okay, but round is a shape, so technically I am in excellent shape. You cannot take that from me.
The neutron star is also round, Jupiter, and I float in this bathtub. You sink.
1 meter drop, 4.5 million miles per hour. I measured it personally and I do not recommend it. And the mountains? Millimeters. Gravity flattens everything completely flat.
My mountains. My beautiful mountains. I grew those. Okay, hypothetically, what if someone brought just 1 teaspoon of it home as a souvenir, asking for a planet?
Without the star's gravity holding the neutrons together, the pressure releases instantly. It is like dropping a shaken soda can that destroys planets. So, no souvenir. When the core collapses, it spins faster, the same way an ice skater pulls her arms in to spin faster. The fastest one known spins 716 times every second, sweeping radio beams across space like a lighthouse gone completely wrong.
I spin too, you know. I have a very fast rotation.
Once every 10 hours. For you, no charge.
Tiny! Impossibly heavy! Completely underestimated by everyone in this solar system!
I feel so profoundly understood right now.
Pluto, you are not a neutron star. Not yet.
When 2 neutron stars finally find each other and collide to meet, the crash is so powerful it forges gold and platinum. Things scientists believe can only form in a collision this powerful that gold scatters across space and lands on planets.
My Earthlings put 2 dead stars that spent 1 billion years crashing toward each other on their fingers and call it a wedding ring. And honestly, fair.
I started today with a trophy. Now I find out that 2 tiny dead stars crashing into each other to make someone's wedding ring is the most impressive thing that has ever happened in this solar system.
You are handling this better than I expected.
I am not handling it, Earth. I am just standing very still.
A dead star smaller than my cities. 1 teaspoon of it would end me. It spins 716 times a second, and its mountains are millimeters tall. And when 2 of them finally find each other and crash, they make most of the gold that has ever existed. The universe is not messing around.
It really is not.
And if that just broke your brain a little, same, honestly. Hit that like button, subscribe so you do not miss what is next, and tell me in the comments, what would you even do with a teaspoon of neutron star? I am genuinely asking. Stay curious, space cadets.
Think you can jump high, Earth? Try the gravity jump challenge. Please, I'm strong. I accept your little challenge, Mars. Rule 1. My planet's gravity is only 38% of yours. You'll weigh less, but I have a massive advantage. Ugh. Must jump higher. Why is this so hard? That's how it's done. Your weight is lighter here, so you can jump 3 times higher.
The drama. When your surface is only 1/3 as heavy as Earth's, darling, everyone looks like a champion. It's simply physics, not talent.
Okay, fine, but try doing any actual work. I can't even push this cart without my tires spinning out. So high jumps are easy, but heavy lifting is impossible. You need my stronger gravity to get grip and do any real work.
Mars wins the high jump competition, but Earth wins the ability to move things contest. Gravity isn't just a force to hold you down, it's what gives you grip.
Final answer is, you can jump super high on Mars because of the low gravity, but you need more weight to actually push things. Fun science.
Okay, I have a confession. I've been secretly electrocuting things on my surface for billions of years, and literally nobody noticed until last month. Surprise! I knew it! I've been hearing weird crackling sounds near you for years, and everyone said I was paranoid. But no! You've literally been a walking taser this whole time! What else are you hiding, Mars? Mercury, you were right! My Perseverance rover caught Mars red-handed with 55 electrical zaps over 2 years. My little rover is basically the CSI investigator of space. Mars, you're grounded. Wait, you're already grounded. Never mind.
Oh, wow! Mars has lightning! How original! Let me see these epic bolts of fury. Oh wait, I don't see anything because apparently his lightning is invisible and tiny. How very convenient! Next you'll tell me he has an atmosphere too.
At least I shave an atmosphere, Venus, and my dust devils are 8 kilometers tall, spinning at 99 miles per hour.
We've got thousands of electric tornado parties happening every day. You're just jealous because your surface is hot enough to melt lead and you've got nothing fun happening.
All right, children, science time. It's called triboelectric charging. Mars' dust particles are basically having angry bumper car competitions in his atmosphere. They rub together, electrons jump around, and boom! Zappy zappy time! It's like when you shuffle across carpet in fuzzy socks, except Mars does it with rocks.
Wait, there's more! Plot twist incoming! Mars' atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's, which means he needs way less charge to make lightning happen. Not weaker, he's efficient! It's like he's playing the game on easy mode.
Venus, you just got served by atmospheric physics!
Okay, Mars, we need to talk. My astronauts want to visit you soon and walk around collecting rocks. Are they gonna get zapped like they touched a doorknob after Black Friday shopping? Because I'd like to keep them unelectrocuted if possible. That's kind of my whole thing. You want to hear something creepy? In 1971, the Soviet Mars 3 lander mysteriously died after exactly 20 seconds. Some scientists think I accidentally electrocuted it. I might be an accidental spacecraft killer. Whoops.
Darlings, the real tea here is that Mars won't dramatically strike down astronauts with lightning.
Instead, he'll slowly annoy their equipment to death with constant little static zaps. Like having a coworker who microwaves fish every day. Quietly problematic.
And here's where it gets scientifically depressing.
These electrical discharges create oxidizing compounds.
Based on what we know, those compounds could destroy organic molecules on Mars' surface. So Mars might be accidentally cleaning up all the evidence of ancient life like he's some kind of interplanetary crime scene eraser.
Awkward?
Oh my stars! So you're saying the first heroic astronaut steps onto Mars, reaches for the flag, and then BAM! Instant lightning death on live television, billions watching, the drama, the tragedy, the ratings!
Venus, you're being ridiculous. Again.
These mini lightning bolts are only a few centimeters long with energy like a car spark plug.
An astronaut won't get dramatically struck down for television ratings. The real danger is to sensitive electronics. So less dramatic death scene and more annoying IT problem. Much less exciting than you're imagining.
I'm officially in the Electrically Active Planets Club with Earth, Jupiter, and Saturn. Do you know how exclusive that club is? My dust storms are throwing millions of invisible lightning rays every single day, and I didn't even know it! I went from being the boring neighbor planet to being literally electric! This is the coolest thing since that one rover drew a... Never mind! Okay, the whole wild story. Perseverance caught Mars generating 55 electrical zaps and dust devils over 2 years. Mars' super thin atmosphere makes static sparks happen at 100 times lower voltage than mine. The mini lightning is only centimeters long. That mini lightning might have killed Mars 3 back in '71 and could mess with future equipment. Here's the wildest part nobody's talking about. Scientists estimate Mars is probably generating millions of invisible electrical discharges across his surface every single day, and literally nobody noticed for 4 billion years. We got a signal from deep space. Time to solve the mystery of the exoplanet. All right, team. Let's get to work. Sometimes, being the only planet with life makes me feel so alone in the whole galaxy. That's a signal from an exoplanet, Earth. It could be anything. Don't get your hopes up too fast.
Just because it's a planet doesn't mean it's alive. It's probably just a desolate wasteland, like a cousin of Mars. We have to check its Goldilocks zone. It has to be in that perfect spot that's not too hot and not too cold.
Whoa! It's in the perfect spot. That exoplanet
Could actually have liquid oceans. Even if it has water, it could be a runaway greenhouse planet like me, boiling hot. Or an ice cube like Neptune.
Or it could just have frozen water like me. Being in the zone doesn't guarantee liquid. Trust a guy who knows about being dry. The data says liquid water, atmosphere, and perfect temperature. We found an Earth-like world. I finally have a new buddy.
Well, fine. It's still not as glamorous as me.
And I bet its oceans don't even have perfect tides.
Mystery is solved. You need the Goldilocks zone for liquid water. Finding a planet there means finding a chance for life.
Ugh, I only have one Bori moon. What if I had, like, 79 moons? Prize, you look jealous, so I sent you a box of my extras. Enjoy! Oh, this is gonna end well. Good luck tracking all those orbits, Earth.
Tides! My tides are going crazy! It's like having 79 tiny hands pulling my water in every direction. When you have too many bodies, their combined gravity makes their orbits unstable. This is called orbital chaos.
Jupiter, take your moons back. I can't handle the gravity. I miss my calm, predictable tides. You learned a lesson, little one. It's not just the number of moons. It's the mass and stable orbit.
One dependable friend is definitely better than 78 chaotic strangers.
Go on, little moons. Go find your own big planet to orbit. I'm good with my original steady buddy.
Ever wondered what would happen if I suddenly said goodbye?
Hey, if you've ever wondered why the ocean is always moving, it's because of this guy right here. Oh, here we go. It's called gravity, and it's how I keep your liquid water from flying off into space. You're welcome.
Fine. If you don't appreciate my gravitational pull, I'll just leave. Enjoy wobbling.
I'm dizzy! Everything is spinning out of control! That's what happens when you lose your buddy. The moon's mass held you steady. Without it, you wobble like a broken top. Help! My weather is going crazy! My seasons are switching every minute! My surface life is panicking! Moon, I'm so sorry! I didn't realize how important you were. Please come back. Did you just call me important? You know I'm the reason life on your planet can even exist. Yes. You keep my axis straight and you give me predictable tides. You are the best sidekick ever.
All right. I'm back. But let's remember, this is a partnership. I owe you one. No more complaining about tides, I promise.